What's up? It's your girl JOBBIE. You dope. Want to know why? Because you're tuned into Shaw's World. So today I'm going to be attempting to do the knotless box braids. And right now I'm just showing you all the products I use to get this look done. Let me tell y'all, this was the most hardest style I have ever tried to do in my head in my life. It took me literally like almost 10 hours, no joke. So hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. So right now what I'm doing is taking about 2 to 3 pieces of hair, and I make them around the same size so that my braid is the same size all the way down. So I'm gonna take the Shine and Jam and just go ahead and put that down on my hair so I can like tame it, make sure it stays together, no flyaways. Moisturize your hair so that you don't braid like dry hair, like that's horrible. Make sure your hair is nice and moisturized so that it helps the growth too. So I'm taking my hair, sectioning it off into 3 pieces right now, and I'm going to go around 4. I'm going to make 4 plaits. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then I'm going to take my first piece of hair and connect it in between my fingers, connecting it to the middle piece and the end piece. And I hope you guys can see what I'm doing because it's kind of hard to explain. Be sure to hold the braiding hair very tightly between your fingers when continuing on with the braid. And I went and did about 2 to 3 more plaits, and then I'm going to add another piece in between my fingers once again, holding the hair really tight and continuing to braid down. I like to add the Shining Jam to the ends of my hair as I'm braiding down so that my hair blends seamlessly with the braiding hair. It just makes it look so much neater, and your hair doesn't like stick out and make the braid look sloppy. It just makes it look so much better. Going in again, showing you guys the process one more time, taking the Shine and Jam and taming those flyaways. Then I'm going to just take a comb and comb through it to make sure there are no tangles. Go ahead and separate your hair into 3 pieces again and create 4 plaits. Now add that hair in between your fingers and connect it to the middle piece and the end piece, and hold it tightly and continue to braid. Do about 2 to 3 plaits and then add in another piece. you guys, this is how it came out. I am so happy after spending almost 10 hours of labor doing this style. It came out pretty nice. I really like it. So after about a couple weeks, I'll let you guys know the pros and cons on these braids, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just gonna take the mousse and style it, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, JOBBIE babes.